Hey guys, this is Smriti. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. And if you guys have already been subscribed to the channel, thank you so much for subscribing. Today, we're going to do the last zodiac sign makeup tutorial and we're going to do Capricorn's zodiac sign. And this is the makeup tutorial that I came out with. It's a very strong, determined, brown, black, gray, cool tone, smoky eye. I absolutely loved creating this for you guys. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then please keep on watching. Today, we're doing the last zodiac sign, and that is Capricorn. I cannot wait to dive into this video. So Capricorn people, as you guys know, it's an earth sign and they have birthdays from December 22nd to January 19th, and their symbol is goat. The colors that actually determine Capricorn is like grays and earthy, browns and like mustard yellow. So it's very like an earthy sign. Capricorn people actually just give me like, they portray like stubborn nature. They're very dependable, they're very determined. So that's what we're going to do on our face. Let's first start priming our face, and for that I'm going to use my Good Molecules silicone free priming moisturizer. This is more like a moisturizing primer, and I absolutely need moisture on my skin. I feel super dry today. I don't know what's up with that. I'm generally a combo oily skin, but because of the colder months, I think I'm getting super cold. By the way, if you see like glitter particles on my face, that's because I was doing my Christmas decoration and all the ornaments glitter is somehow landed on my face. So that's what is up with the glitter. By the way, I did my brows and I used my LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade Brunette. Now, for the center of my face, I want more of a mattifying primer, and for that, I'm going to use my Cover FX primer and just concentrate that on the center of my face. Just so that I don't want like any oil speaking through. I want to do like a more of a glam look today, but we'll see. I have like a matte look in my mind, something like which is very strong and determined kind of a look, but bold lip. That's what my mind is telling me. So let's move on. For the foundation, I'm going to use my YSL foundation, the All Hours foundation, and I'm in the shade Cool Copper, which is BR65. That's like my tan shade. And this is basically like a medium to full coverage foundation, but it is very neutral in undertone. So it matches perfectly with my skin tone right now. Super long wearing and super lightweight. So Capricorn people are very ambitious. They're very independent people right from the early age. They don't like depending on anybody for that matter. So they're basically the one that understands the rules, but they'll end up doing whatever they want to do at the end. So that like sums up Capricorn altogether, I would say. For the concealer, I'm going to take my e.l.f.'s Camo Concealer. It's been ages that I've not used this, and this is in the shade Medium Beige. Oh my god, that looks so light and very peachy. That looks so light. Okay, I'm going to take the same foundation brush so that whatever is on the brush can mix up with the concealer. Have you guys started your Christmas decoration? Oh my god, this is like my favorite time of the year. I love decorating it for the Christmas. I actually did like a Christmas decoration video, like when I decorated my whole house last year. I'll link it in the iCards above. Right now there's some renovation going around which my husband is doing like a home project. So I'm not going to record this time, but we almost do the same kind of decoration inside the house. Outside, yes, we're doing much more this time. So by the time this video is out, if the outside decoration is all done, I'll pop a picture on the screen. But you know, outside decoration is always good at night, and I don't think I can capture that on my phone's camera. So once the foundation and concealer is done, let's set the under eyes, and for that I'm going to use my LYS Triple Fix Translucent Powder, and this is in the shade Resilience. And just set it out. Look how smoothing it is. Oh my god, I love this powder. What all did you guys buy from the Black Friday deal? Oh my god. I spent a lot of money for sure. Oh my goodness. By the end of like the Black Friday sale, and this time there was so much good sale. I mean, I feel like when I'm like doing all these sale purchases that I should not get anything in the beginning of the year and I should wait till the end of the year to get all of it. Oh my god. This time it was great sales for sure. There you go. Now for the entire face, I'm going to use the same powder but more with like a big fluffy brush. So I'm going to take my ColourPop brush. I'm going to dunk it into the same powder. I'm just gonna run it all throughout my face. Oh, I wanted to use a cream bronzer. I missed it altogether. Just because Capricorns are like so determined, I really wanted like a sculpted look. Does that make sense? I don't know. I really want to do it, so I'm going to do it. I'm going to use my Candy Paint cream bronzer, and this is in the shade North Shore. You've seen me mentioning this so many times on my channel. So I'm going to use the same one. Although the Capricorn people are so determined, they self-doubt themselves a lot. I think that's one negative thing that I can like see in Capricorn people, and from what I have read about them, they absolutely strive for respect and financial security. Just because they're like so determined and like not dependable on others. That's one quality that they always have. Oh my god, I love this bronzer so much. Whenever I use this, I'm back in love with it. And this is so good to like sculpt. It looks so dark in the pan, but super blendable. And mind, like I'm applying it over the powder and still it blends super nicely. They're great watchers and great listeners, so their mind just soaks up everything that is like going around them. Oh, I did not have my lunch. I was thinking, why am I feeling so hungry? I did not have my lunch. I just put the kids to bed and I started recording, and I was like, yeah, that's why I'm feeling hungry. Anyways, after recording, I'll go and have my lunch. Now, I also want to do a little bit of cream blush, and for that, I'm going to use my M Cosmetics So Soft Cream Blush in the shade Lychee, and I'm going to take it on a stippling brush. It's more of like a peachy color. I'm going to apply that on my cheeks. Definitely a super natural blush, but you can definitely build it up too. Super blendable. Now after that, I'm going to just set my whole face with the same powder, the LYS powder. The thermocol balls are running all over the place. So the container where I keep my brushes have like thermocol balls on it. That's why whenever I like pick a brush, all the thermocol balls are like flying all over the place. Okay, now let's move on to the powder bronzer, and I want more of a neutral undertone today. I'm going to take my Milani Silky Matte Bronzer, and this is in the shade Suntan. I wanted more of a sculpted look, so that's why I'm going to take this on the e.l.f.'s blending brush. Such a beautiful brush for like a sculpted bronzed look. Oh my god, I'm absolutely loving. I'm such a fan of this brush. Like, so perfect to like chisel out wherever you want it to. Love it. Okay, now let's move on to the highlighter. For the highlighter, I'm going to take my Jaclyn Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Iced. Again, I want nothing more like golden or anything, so that's why I'm taking this. This is more of like an icy champagne shade. Look at that. It's like very wet on the skin. I have a pimple there. It's popping it out. Definitely if you have texture on your skin, this is gonna emphasize it. But it definitely does give like that wet look on the skin. Capricorns are extremely cautious and very, very patient people. They're very active mind and have strong powers of concentration. They like to be in control of everything. For Capricorns, it's not any shades of gray in their life. It's either black or white. So you can take it any ways you want, but that's how it is. Now let's move on to the eyes, and I'm definitely craving a cool tone look because that's how like I depict Capricorns, with like grays and browns and all. So for that, I'm going to take my Anastasia Sultry palette, because why not? I love this palette, and like this creates some glamorous looks, and I'm all up for that for Capricorn. So let's begin. I'm going to first take this shade, which is called Birch, from the palette, and I'm going to just dust it on the crease. And then I'm going to take the shade called Twig from the palette, and this I'm going to basically concentrate it on the inner third of my eyelid, just to give it more of like a cool tone gray smoky eye look in the inner third, just like that, and then blend it with the shade called Birch that we initially applied. I basically do want like a gray and brown look. Now for the outer corners, I'm going to take this shade, which is called Dystopian from the palette, and this is like a very cool toned deep brown shade. I'm going to concentrate that on the outer corner of the eye. I'm going to flick it outwards and then blend it to that gray shade. I'm going to create more of like a straight line at the end, just so that it's more clean, because I want a lot of structure rather than blown out look. Just like that. Can you see that line? That's what we want. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other eyes too. Definitely not even, but we're going to roll with it. I'm just going to melt the gray shade and the brown shade together. And I'm also going to blow out the lower lash line too with the same shade. Now I'm going to take this gray shade, which is called Slate, and this is like a slate gray shade, and I'm just going to melt right in the center of my eyelid. And I'm going to blend the crease in just a minute. I just want these shades to just melt together. I'm going to take the initial blending shade that we used, which is called Birch from the palette. I'm just going to blend the crease seamlessly so that there's no harsh lines. So now, once we have that all blended, I'm going to dip into this shade, which is called Mocha from the Dominique's Cosmetics Latte palette. And this would give me more of that brown shade. And I'm going to mix that shade with the shade called Hazelnut from the palette. And this is more of that, you know, hazelnut brown shade. And I'm going to melt it right in the center of my eyelid, so that we have like a gray and a brown and a black shade going. You know what this gradient reminds me of? The Hindash palette. It's reminding me of that. Isn't there a shade which goes from gray to brown there? Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Yeah, perfect. I actually dipped only into this shade, which is called Hazelnut, and just blended into it. So I have like a gray peeking through in the inner side, and I have like more of a darker shade on the outer corners. I'm actually going to dip a little bit into Mocha, and I'm going to just deepen up the outer corners just a tiny little bit. Once we have that, I'm going to dip back into the Sultry palette, and I'm going to take this shade, which is called Noir, the black shade from the palette. And I'm going to concentrate that on the outer corners. Just tiny little bit, like an extension of that wing. And I'm going to concentrate that very close to the lash line, just like that. I'm going to take the same shade, Noir, and I'm going to stamp it right in the inner corner of my eye, like inner third. And just like that. Just because I want like to show that strong personality of the Capricorns, I'm going to do that. Rather than doing it with an eyeliner, I'm going to do it with the brush and with a powdered eyeshadow. Just so that it's a little more on the softer side. But still you can get that cat effect, the cat eye effect. I'm going to take the same shade Noir, the black shade. I'm going to stamp it right there in the outer corners too. Just like that. Just like that. Now, I'm just going to finish off my eyes with some liner and mascara and I'll get right back. And to line my eyes, I'm going to use the Anastasia combo, the Anastasia liquid liner and the Anastasia mascara. Now, once the eyes are all complete, I love the way how it came out. Now, let's finish off with the lips. Now, because Capricorns are the ones who like hide emotions a lot inside, they don't like open up with anybody and everybody. So I want like more of a deeper lip, and for that I'm going to take my ColourPop's BFF4 lip liner. But before that, let me just sharpen it. And this is more of like that deep brown shade, so it'll complement the eyes really well. And I just filled it in a tiny little bit from the edges. And for the lipstick, I'm going to take this Morphe lipstick, and this is in the shade Main Squeeze. This is more of like a cooler tone brown shade. Now finally, I'm going to set my face with this NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. And that's our final look, guys. How do you guys like it? I feel like so strong with my personality as soon as I have that matte, you know, brownish, grayish, blackish, smoky eye. I absolutely love the way it came out. Finally, I think the only characteristic that I miss talking about is their sarcastic nature. Like, they're very sarcastic people. So you'll either hate them or you'll absolutely love them and love being around them. I personally, I'm not good with sarcasm at all, I would say. Like, I stay away from the people who do sarcasm, but that's just me. Like, yeah, that's a long story short for another time. But this is how the Capricorn makeup turned out. This was the last zodiac sign makeup tutorial that I had to do it for you guys. I absolutely loved creating this whole series for you guys. If you have not checked out your zodiac sign makeup tutorial that I created, I leave the playlist on the screen and in the description box below for you guys to check it out. And if you did like this video, do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I post next. I generally upload 3 videos every single week, every Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. Until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.